What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a chilly Saturday morning, but I'm going to be working on the backhoe loader. Today I'm going to be trying to fix this bent exhaust. If you can see straight on from the machine, it is kind of tilted off to the side. So we're going to set the camera up and I will take this thing off and see if we cannot bend it back straight. You can see that's where the problem is. That's where that bolt is. Alright, she ain't gonna budge, so there's no way it's gonna come off. It's way too rusted on there. I thought I was gonna get it off, so we'll just tighten it back up and leave it how it is. Well, that was a major fail, but I still carried on with the video. I wanted to show you guys, you know, not everything always goes right. Just trying to get that bolt off. I got it off, but I could not get the tailpipe piece from the muffler here. Honestly, if I had some heat or if I really had some more motivation to take this thing off right now and it wasn't 15 degrees outside, I probably would take it off. But for now, I'm just going to have to leave it at least till it warms up. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and I'm sure to post more kind of content like this in the future. I'll see you.